What's up YouTube? I'm Dave the Phone Guy, and today we're going to compare the Huawei Freebuds 3 and the Vivo True Wireless Stereo Earphones. This should be a no-brainer. The Freebuds 3 are supposed to be the new king. They are the first earbuds with active noise cancellation that has an open fit design. But then you have Vivo's offering the TWS ones. These are their first go at a premium wireless earphone. Will they be able to compete? Stick around to find out. So I set up a ranking system based on a 1 to 5 scale, and it's gonna be as followed. So 1 would kind of be mediocre, 2 is below average, obviously, then 3 would be average, 4 is gonna be above average, and 5 excellent. So now that we have the guidelines out of the way, let's get started. First, we're gonna talk about the fit and finish, how the quality of the earbud and the case are. Both of these earbuds feel very premium. They feel great to the touch, and more importantly, they feel solid. Huawei went with a round design, as you can see, for the case, which makes them a bit larger. Vivo went with a more compact design, kind of oval shape, which makes them a bit easier to hold in your hand and to keep in your pocket. Everything about the Freebuds 3 feel very well put together. The case has strong magnets that will keep the earbuds securely in place, even with the top open. They're not gonna fall out even if you shake them. Each earbud weighs in at about 4.5 grams and the case at 48 grams. Each earbud has a 30 milliamp battery and the case has a 410 milliamp battery. The Vivo's is also exceptionally well put together. The case also has strong magnets that will keep the earbuds securely in place with the top open, but the actual top of the case will not stay open on its own. The hinge mechanism is weak and can't keep the lid open. Each earbud does weigh in a bit lighter than the Freebuds 3 at 4.4 grams and the case at 31.6 grams. Each earbud has a 25 milliamp battery and the case has a 400 milliamp battery. For this round, I give Huawei a 4 and the Vivo's a 3. The Vivo's lost a few points because of the hinge design and the smaller batteries. Let's talk about sound quality. And I'm talking about the sound that comes out of the earbuds themselves, but also the quality of the mic. The sound that comes out of both is very even. They both have great highs, solid mids, and deep bass. It's no wonder they sound similar. They both have the same 14.2 millimeter driver size. But, and this is a big but, the mic audio is a different story. So I'm gonna play 2 audio recordings for you first to listen to. Just to set this up, I'm using an app called Parrot, which can be found in the Play Store. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world and will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world and will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. Mankind. That is a word that should have new meaning for all of us today. We can't be consumed by our petty differences anymore. We will be united in a common interest. Perhaps it is fate today is the 4th of July, and you will once again be fighting for our freedom. Not from tyranny, oppression, or persecution, but from annihilation. We are fighting for our rights to live, to exist, and should we win the day, the 4th of July will no longer be known as an American holiday, but as a day the world declared in one voice. We will not go quietly into the night. We will not vanish without a fight. We are going to live on. We are going to survive. Today, we celebrate our Independence Day. As you can hear, there's a difference in the mic quality between these two. The Vivo sound is clear and crisp, and the Huawei sound is a bit distant and muddy. This test makes this round easy for me. I'm gonna give the Huawei a 3 and the Vivo a solid 5. Let's talk about comfort now. How do they feel? Can you wear them for extended periods? Now, this is gonna vary for everyone as everyone has different shaped ears, which is why finding the right earbuds can be a daunting task. Both initially are very comfortable, but around the 2-hour mark, the Freebuds 3 start to become uncomfortable in my left ear. As where the Vivos, I can wear those all day. I'm not sure if it's the difference in weight or size of the earbuds, but the Huawei is both heavier and has a larger circumference. And with the Vivos, I usually forget I even have them on. Both earbuds also withstood the head shake test and stay securely in my ears. For this round, I give the Huawei's a 3 and the Vivos a 4. Moving on, battery life and charging. Now, the Freebuds have a larger battery, but the Vivo is packing the new Qualcomm QCC5126 chipset. So even with its smaller battery, it's able to push out the same amount of listening time, but has an extra 4 hours of charge from the case than the Freebuds. They both have USB-C charging capabilities, but the Freebuds are also packing the ability to wirelessly charge. The Huawei's can also charge faster, 0 to 160 minutes, where the Vivos take a full 85. For this round, I'm gonna give the Huawei's a 4 and the Vivos a 3. So let's talk about the special features. What do these have? What are the differences? So the Freebuds 3, they have Bluetooth 5.1, which gives them lower battery consumption, super fast connection. They also have a larger battery, wireless charging capabilities, and active noise cancellation. The Vivo True Wireless Stereo Earphones have touch controls. They'll let you increase and decrease the volume by just swiping up and down. They have a water-resistant rating of IP54, and they have dual microphones and bone conduction. So for this round, I'm gonna give the Huawei a 5 and also the Vivos a 5. They both have their unique features. I love that the Huawei has wireless charging, and I think the Vivo touch controls are absolutely amazing. What does this all mean? The conclusion. Let's tally it all up. The Freebuds came up with 19 points. The Vivos have 20. For me, the winner here is the Vivo TWS ones. They're lightweight, comfortable, have great battery life, an excellent mic, and being able to adjust the volume on the fly without having to pull out your phone is just awesome. Your results may vary just based on the comfort level or features depending on what matters more to you. Both are top-notch and you really can't go wrong. I had to be really picky to declare one a winner over the other. Guys, that's all I have for you today. If you liked this video or it helped you in any way, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell. That way you'll get notified of my next video. And if you want to read some of my random thoughts, you can follow me on Twitter at @1David_Miller. Till the next one, peace.